Hey, what's up guys? Jose here, shreddeddad.com. In today's video, I'm reviewing the Magnergy Power Tower. This is an adjustable power tower, which means you have the ability to adjust the length of the dip handles from front to back to accommodate for different sized forearms. And you can also adjust the uprights that go up to the pull-up bar in order to accommodate for different heights. Now, the good thing about power towers is that they don't take up a lot of space, but you can do a whole lot of exercises in them, and not just the regular pull-up, dips, and push-ups. You can add so many things to these as long as you get creative. You can even add resistance bands to the top and the bottom to recreate different exercises, or you can even add gymnastics rings to them. Now, this one in particular, the Magnergy Power Tower, only takes about 3 feet by 3 feet of space. So even if you don't have a lot of space, you can put this in a room and still get a hell of a workout. So from side to side, this one only takes about 37 inches. Then from front to back, it's taking up 38 inches. And the base, they created the base in an H pattern so that it has a lot of stability in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you everything there is to know about the Magnergy Power Tower. I'll show you some exercises afterwards. When it comes to power towers, the foundation is the most important factor you need to consider before you purchase one of these. You want to make sure that there's a lot of stability. Otherwise, anything you do from the ground up can feel very shaky. Now, the Magnergy Power Tower here has a wide base. It covers 37 inches across and 38 inches from front to back, giving it over 3 feet each way of space, so that gives you a lot of stability. Now, on top of that wide space that you get, you also have a crossbar here and then a crossbar right there, uniting those two legs together, giving it even more stability. And then to add to that, each one of the legs has 2 rubber end caps here so that you don't feel like you're slipping. Now, this is made of heavy duty steel. It's a 3-layer heavy-duty steel with 1.5 millimeters in thickness, giving you a weight capacity of 500 pounds, so you can feel safe, not only because of the stability, but whenever you're up in the air doing dips or pull-ups, you can feel safe that the steel is not going to bend. If we come closer here, you can see the push-up handle. The push-up handle is rubberized, and as you can see, this is powder coated, so it's got a nice finish to it. Here's the other push-up handle here. Looks exactly the same. Now, if we come up a little bit closer here, you can see that there's arches here, giving more support, connecting the base here to the uprights. And then you can also use these as steps to get to the dip area and then to the pull-up bar. So now we're at the area of the middle of the power tower. This is the area where you can do dips and other exercises such as leg raises. Now, if we come to the side here, you see that there's a pad. The pad is about 1 inch in thickness, and this is going to give your forearms and elbows support. And then from the floor all the way to the top of the pad, there's 53 inches in height. Now, the bottom here of the pad shows you that there's a knob. This knob will allow you to pull it down, and then you can change the distance from here back and forth of the dip handle. So you have 4 different settings there for the dip handles. Now, the grips here are rubberized just like the push-up handles on the bottom. Both these are rubberized, and of course both sides are going to have them. So now we come to the middle here. The middle in between these 2 pads are 22 inches of width. So 22 inches between the 2 pads, and then right in the middle there you have this pad here that's about 1 inch in thickness as well, and that's just going to give you lumbar support for exercises such as leg raises and knee tucks. The pull-up bar is adjustable between 74 and 87 inches in height, so you have 6 different settings to choose from. And if you look closer here at the uprights, you can see that there's holes there that allow you to make those different adjustments there. When we get to the back of the pull-up bar, I'm going to show you where you can do that. Now, over here, if we look closer at the handles, you can see that each end there has a rubberized grip. That is the wide pull-up handle. Now, if we come closer to the center here, we have a closer grip here that can either be used for chin-ups or just closer grip pull-ups, and then you have your neutral grip here in the middle. Now, if we come around to the back, I'm going to show you where you can change the different height here. So you have 2 knobs here. Those 2 knobs give you added stability, and of course, you're going to have the 2 knobs on the other side as well. So now that I've shown you everything about the pull-up bar from top all the way up to the bottom, I'm going to go ahead and show you different exercises. There you have it. That's my review of the Magnergy Power Tower. It's a very versatile piece of equipment. Not only can you do calisthenics, but you can also attach other pieces of equipment to it, such as I showed you earlier. You can add resistance bands to it, or you can add gymnastics rings to it, so you can do a whole variety of exercises. Not only that, it's adjustable, so it will work for different sized people. From front to back, you can adjust the dip handle for different sized forearms, and then over here, the uprights for the pull-up bar, you can adjust the height up and down for different sized people. And also, something like this is not going to take up a lot of space. As long as you have anywhere from 4 feet to 4 feet of space, you should have enough room. From side to side, this takes up 37 inches, and from front to back, it takes up 38 inches. It's a very versatile piece of equipment. For less than 150 bucks, you can pick one of these and do a whole bunch of exercises from home. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest uploads. For more information on the Magnergy Power Tower, I'll leave a link below this video. And also make sure you check out other reviews at my website, shreddedad.com. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.